Hello traders, today topic of discussion is the trend line. What is a trend line? What is trend line? Trend line. A trend line is a combination of two words. First, trend. Second, line. Trend means trends in the market direction are determined by the movement of prices over time, characterized by peaks and troughs that indicate whether the trend is upwards, downwards, or sideways. Line. In geometry, a line is a one-dimensional figure with no thickness that extends infinitely in both directions. You must have understood both trend and line. What is trend and what is line? Let's move on to the next topic and learn how to draw a trend line. In order to create a trend line, we need to identify 2 points that are either both low or both high. If the price breaks the trend line, it indicates a shift in the market trend. Join our official Telegram group Chart Patterns group to receive updates and necessary information. Beware of scammers and fraud groups and channels.